None of us, including me, ever do great things. But we can all do small things with great love, and together we can do something wonderful. Wonderful lines quoted by Mother Teresa. Yes, working together or the collected effort lead us to success. Good morning to everyone present here. This is Minakshi presenting today's morning assembly on behalf of Raman House. My dear friends, theme of today's morning assembly is teamwork. Teamwork is the key to success, and working together in a team works as fuel that allows common people to attain uncommon results. It enables us to learn from one another and fosters creativity. Learning, maximizing shared knowledge, and expanding new skill sets. May God help us to work as a team. Let us start today's assembly by God's prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, Pledge of Allegiance is a promise or oath of loyalty to the country. It is a symbol of pride and motivation for all the citizens of the country. And now we are moving to the next part of the assembly, that is pledge. And for this, I would like to call Swapnil from class 6th. Thank you, Swapnil. Teamwork is the ability to work together toward a common vision. No matter how brilliant our mind or strategy is, if we are moving alone, it becomes difficult to fulfill a task, and together we can do much. Let us change our thoughts and prefer teamwork. To listen today's thought, I would like to call Shahid from class 7th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Shahid. Today's thought is alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Swapnil, for such a nice thought. News in daily basis is really important for us. It provides us high general knowledge. It gives us information about what happenings. But in the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time to read newspaper. And let us get today's news update. For this, I would like to call Rehan from class 7. Thank you, Rehan, for today's news update. We only can build up our vocabulary if we will meet new words. To enrich our vocabulary, I would like to call Maneet from class 6th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Maneet. Word of the day is collaboration, and the meaning is friendly, helpful, and the action of working with others for a common goal or project. Use of collaboration in a sentence. The collaboration with my colleagues was a very valuable learning experience for me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Maneet, for enriching our knowledge. It is important to build team skills from young age. Learning to work as part of a team help us hone many social skills such as patience, empathy, communication, respect for others, compromise, and tolerance. It also helps in developing confidence and trust. To know more about the importance of teamwork, I would like to invite Ruhmeet from class 8th. Thank you, Ruhmeet, for such a knowledgeable speech. Our national anthem is our national identity. Like other national symbols, national anthem also represents the tradition, history, and beliefs of our nation. It gives us a feeling of having made our country proud, and it's an important part of our morning assembly. It's time to pay respect to our nation, so get ready for national anthem and start. After national anthem, I would like to end today's morning assembly with a prayer to God. Dear God, remove comparison and rivalry mentality from our hearts and help us to focus on the greater good. Help us to live in harmony with each other. And today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you for cooperating. Have a gorgeous day ahead.